Hey, today I'm going to give a tour of our property here, Bare Naked Bungalows. We purchased it almost 3 years ago now, June 2020, and I know I've been making videos about the remodel and construction process, but I don't believe we've ever done a proper walkthrough of the entire place, so we're going to do that now. Let's get to it. Just inside the front gate, this is our courtyard, or it could be a driveway. But we use it just as a courtyard for the property. Right inside over there is our laundry room for both units. Backyard, we'll go back there in just a second. First, we're going to come into Sanchez Casita. This was the first project that we started here. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. It was a 2-bed, 1-bath when we bought it. We started this in October 2020. Finished it for the most part in December of that year. 1 bathroom here, main bedroom over here. Finished it for the most part in December 2020, and we lived here for a full year while we did the rest of the construction upstairs. This was not a bathroom when we bought it, so we added this bathroom here, put in the walls, cabinets in the kitchen. Still a little bit of work to do. We want to tile downstairs, queen bed in here, and a king in the other one. We spent about $10,000 in this unit with the windows, cabinets, walls, bathroom painting, and then we had another $3,000 or so in furniture. Okay, moving on to the second floor where Allie and I live. We moved in here in January 2022. So come in, it opens up into the main living space here. You can tell it's built for animals, not really for humans. Front. Everything's open up for maximum airflow. This was more of a tear down project because there were 2 units that we combined into 1 unit. So this was a unit over here, converted into kind of our TV room den. So we go upstairs. Both this unit and the one down below, we had to add a bathroom, knock down a lot of walls up here, a lot of electrical, a lot of windows. So you can see bathroom in here, and then the balcony out here. And we had about $55,000 in remodel work here, another $10,000 in furniture and appliances, and as in the unit down below, and then one that we're about to enter upstairs, we did a lot of recycling of artwork that was in here from before. So we'll go upstairs right now. Okay, we're entering the Sunset Suite. This was 100% new construction here because where I'm walking on what was the old roof. So as you come through, you'll see everything in here is brand new. So we had about $15,000 in remodel expenses here and another $5,000 in appliances and furniture. Bathroom here. It's a small unit, about 400 square feet, but the nice part about it is that it's right below the rooftop. So and this was one of the last things that we did. Still a little bit of work left to do up here, just like everywhere, you know, you're always got plans, but we completed the bathroom over here. Have great views all the way around. We spent about $12,000 on this remodel here, so but amazing views all the way around. Let's go downstairs. We're going to check out the pool. Before we finish up, I was going to show one thing that's pretty cool here in the backyard. If you look up at the sky, you can ask the Zihuatanejo gods to turn the lights out, and it gives you a pretty cool view, so I'm going to show that right now. You just point up at the sky right here and say, lights out. And lights back on again. Okay, pretty cool, huh? A few other things to note. I forgot to mention all the prices that I'm giving are US dollars. If you want to see more photos of the property or our condo or the other properties we manage, make sure to go to our website zihuatravels.com or barenakedbungalows.com, and I think that's about it. All right, and now back to the tour. And on to the most popular area of the property, the backyard, and more specifically this pool right here. We finished the pool in October, November 2021 at a cost of about $25,000. We had our first guests in January 2022, and then we finished last summer we finished a bathroom for the pool area. We did this kitchen-ish area here at the barbecue, and we have a shower around the corner. I did a video about that, and then we finished the stairs that went down to the bottom of the hill as well. So we'll go down there and show that area. And the additional exterior works that we did, which includes the roof and the exterior walls and painting, the security, the backyard. We spent another $35,000 or so. Also, the garage is in on that. but anyway, we like how it turned out. We still have some things to do this summer. We're going to put a gym down here. And as you can see, we just laid more gravel to clean up this area. But we still have work to do. Furniture on the rooftop, the gym, some tiling work, and stairs work. But overall, we like the way it turned out. And hopefully, if you've been here, you've had a good stay. And if you haven't been here, come by and we'll take good care of you. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Take care.